Alright guys, so we've got the new Olsa Tools Flex Head 3/8 inch 90 tooth 12-inch long ratchet. So I actually have something similar to this now, but it sucks. So this is a ratchet I've been using probably for the last year or so, and it just doesn't work. This is a Pittsburgh AK, Harbor Freight AK. It's just not very nice. You can see the head doesn't work that well. Every time I use it, it always deflects really badly. So up here, it actually bends real bad, and actually, if you look at the head, you can see it's kind of tilting this way, because it doesn't work that well. But we're replacing it with this now. And look how nice this is. This is also, listen to me, American made. That's right. This is made in the good old US of A, boys and girls. Looking how nice the head is on it too. See how much smaller this is, so you can get a tighter spot. This is slightly shorter, which I wasn't comparing 1-to-1 ratio, but the thing I'm looking at is here, the solid handle, the machine work on it's very nice. I don't feel any sharp burrs or anything, and the flex on it is nice too. It's not overly, too soft, I guess, when you're moving the head. You can also loosen it up. It does have a bolt right in the side. You could actually change it if you like. The on and off is very smooth, very shallow too. It's not sticking out too far, which I do like. And the head is very narrow, unless you look at this here and see how wide this is. When you compare the two, this is a much better, much better design over this. Also, listen to this. This is the old Pittsburgh versus 90 tooth. 72, 90. Much better for getting in those tight places. Now they have a bunch of other lengths and sizes in this, but the reason I want this 12-inch 3/8 is one, I usually use 3/8 when I'm using any socket out there. When I go down to 6 up to 19, 22 millimeter, I use a 3/8 99% of the time. And the reason I'm looking for this is I need something that has a flex head, and I use these a lot for when doing the axle bolts on a Supra. The other reason I prefer these long handles, I have a lot of stuff where it's like this. I have a tensioner here. This gives me a longer fulcrum point, right? The farther out, the less torque you have to apply to get that pressure on. The shorter the handle, the more pressure you have to apply. For something like this, I can put a lot less pressure. And you can see, I can get that belt off a lot easier. And I get a ton of room. So even when I'm in here, so if I come on, see all that fine tooth? I can get really close before it starts to hit there. But I really like these for that reason. Again, I can press down now and get that off if needed. Again, very nice ratchet, guys. I'll have it in my bio below, but very nice little product. Again, Olsa Tools, American made, 90 tooth. This is a long handle. They have a short handle. They have a 1/2 inch, and they have a 1/4 inch out there too. So go check it out, guys. Again, thank you to Olsa Tools for sending this out. Awesome ratchet, guys.